In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve multi-step equations. So let's take a look at the steps to solve multi-step equations. The first thing you'll do is, if there are any parentheses in your equation, you will distribute whatever is outside of those parentheses. Then you'll combine any like terms that are on the same side of the equal sign. After that, you are going to move all of the variable you're trying to solve for to one side. Then you will isolate that variable using our traditional solving techniques. Let's take a look at this example. 3x plus 5 equals 10x minus 30. First of all, notice that there isn't anything we need to distribute because there are no parentheses. We also cannot combine any like terms because there are no like terms on the left and there are no like terms on the right. So we're going to go ahead and jump straight into step number 3, which is move all of the variable to one side. Now, in this case, because 10x is bigger than 3x, I'm going to move everything over to the right side because I like positive numbers. So what I'll do is I will subtract 3x from both sides. That's going to give me 5 equals, and then 10x minus 3x is 7x, and then I carry down my minus 30. Now I need to isolate the variable. Well, to get x by itself, I'm going to start by adding 30 to both sides. That cancels from the right side and gives me 35 on the left side. Then, since it's 7 times x, that's multiplication, in order to get x by itself, I will have to do the opposite, which is divide by 7. Then that tells me that 5 equals x, or you can think of it as x equals 5. How about another example? This one is 2 times y minus 4 plus 3 equals 15. Oh, you notice what's different about this one? It's that it has parentheses. That means we will start with distributing. In this case, we're distributing the 2. So 2 times y is 2y, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. That gives me the equation 2y minus 8 plus 3 equals 15. Now I need to combine like terms. In this case, I do have like terms on the left side. That negative 8 and positive 3 will combine to give me negative 5, making my new equation 2y minus 5 equals 15. Now I need to get the y by itself. So I'm going to start by adding 5 to both sides. That makes my equation 2y equals 20. Now, since it's 2 times y, I'll divide by 2 on both sides to get y by itself. And that's going to give me y equals 10 as my final answer. I have another equation for you. What if I gave you 4 plus 3 times 2 minus x equals negative 13x? Well, I'm sure you've already noticed already that we are going to distribute first. In this case, we're going to distribute the 3. When I do that, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times negative x is negative 3x. So I can carry down everything else, and that gives me the equation 4 plus 6 minus 3x equals negative 13x. I want to combine like terms. In this case, that would be the 4 and the 6. So now I can turn that into 10. To finish solving, I need to move all of my variables to one side. In this case, I'm going to move the 3x over to the right-hand side by adding it. That way, I have all my x's together. Now, negative 13x plus positive 3x gives me negative 10x on the right-hand side. Now, I have 10 equals negative 10 times x. So to get x by itself, I will have to divide by negative 10 on both sides. That tells me that negative 1 equals x. And that is how you solve multi-step equations.